by DroneLife contributing editor Paul Rossi. Don't miss Paul with co-pilots Derry and Samuel on the new weekly Wings podcast. Drone news from the pilot perspective. In the ever-evolving world of drone technology, precision and efficiency are the cornerstones of successful operations. Recently, Flytrex, a leading name in drone delivery solutions, shared an insightful article on LinkedIn about their approach to finding the perfect route for each delivery. As a contributor to DroneLife.com, I find Flytrex's methodology not only fascinating but also indicative of the future trajectory of drone delivery systems. The essence of path optimization, Flytrex emphasizes that the key to effective drone delivery lies in path optimization. Yael Wolman, Flytrex's product manager, explains, every delivery is a puzzle, with the pieces being various external factors and constraints that need to fit together perfectly. This involves calculating the most efficient routes, considering factors such as weather conditions, airspace regulations, and potential obstacles. By integrating advanced algorithms and real-time data analysis, Flytrex ensures that each delivery is not only swift but also safe and compliant with regulatory standards. Technology at the forefront. One of the standout features of Flytrex's approach is their use of sophisticated technology to enhance route planning. Wolman states, our routing algorithm is designed to dynamically adjust to real-time data, ensuring the optimal path is always selected. This capability is crucial in maintaining the reliability and punctuality of deliveries, especially in densely populated urban areas where variables can change rapidly. Safety and compliance. Flytrex's commitment to safety and regulatory compliance cannot be overstated. Wolman notes, we prioritize compliance with local and international aviation regulations to ensure our operations are safe and trusted. This includes adhering to no-fly zones, maintaining safe distances from populated areas, and complying with altitude restrictions. By prioritizing these aspects, Flytrex not only enhances the safety of their operations, but also builds trust with regulatory bodies and the general public. User-centric approach. Another notable aspect of Flytrex's strategy is their focus on the end-user experience. The company understands that for drone delivery to become a mainstream option, it needs to be user-friendly and reliable. Wolman emphasizes, customer satisfaction is at the heart of our operations, driving us to continually refine our processes for faster and more reliable deliveries. By optimizing routes, Flytrex reduces delivery times and enhances the overall efficiency of the service, providing a smoother and more satisfactory experience for customers. Future prospects. Looking ahead, Flytrex's path optimization strategies are poised to set new standards in the drone delivery industry. As Wolman puts it, the future of drone delivery lies in continuous innovation and adaptation. With technology continuing to evolve, we can expect even more sophisticated algorithms and real-time data integration, further refining the efficiency and reliability of drone deliveries. Flytrex's ongoing innovations highlight the potential of drones to revolutionize logistics and last-mile delivery, making it an exciting time for stakeholders in the drone technology space. Conclusion. Flytrex's recent insights into path optimization underscore the importance of precision, technology, and compliance in the drone delivery industry. As we witness these advancements, it's clear that the future of drone deliveries is bright, with Flytrex leading the charge towards more efficient, reliable, and safe delivery solutions. For those of us passionate about drone technology, Flytrex's journey serves as an inspiring example of how innovation can transform industries and improve lives. By embracing these cutting-edge methodologies, Flytrex is not just navigating the skies, but also paving the way for a future where drone deliveries become an integral part of our daily lives. Read more. We've lost drone delivery, no visual observers. Flytrex and Kazi Aviation Unmanned get FAA approval. Fully automated drone delivery. Flytrex partners with national restaurant chains for ultra-fast food. Flytrex on the Drone Radio Show podcast. 135 certification in scaling drone delivery